So we're expecting snow. A bunch of people on Instagram dropping posts in their yard. They want to see accurately how much it's going to snow. And they're not using rulers, they're not using tape measures, they're using sticks and old pieces of wood and metal poles and all, I don't know, that's weird shit. But you know me, I'm a follower, so I'm gonna get on board. And I got this nice white pole. And, you know, 2 inches, 5 inches, 12 inches. You know? I'm gonna drop this bitch in the yard, come out periodically tomorrow between beers and edibles and see what we got. You know? Let's go drive this bitch through the snow. Luckily, I didn't hit a rock. So come check that bitch out tomorrow. Stay tuned.